To begin a surface offset, we will select a surface with the Offset tool by clicking once on the surface. The red inference dot shows us the point from which the offset distance will be measured. Moving the mouse outwards from the original surface makes an offset larger than the original, and moving the mouse inwards makes a smaller one. Once we've determined the offset distance, click again to finish the command. To repeat the same offset distance we've just made, double-click on another surface you wish to offset. Note the next surface you wish to offset does not need to be on the original shape. Now we can immediately use the Push-Pull tool on the new surfaces that Offset created. Let's offset this rectangle on the flat portion of the wall. Now let's add a half circle to the top and bottom of the rectangle. Any single flat surface may be used by the Offset tool. Note you cannot offset curved surfaces. The Offset tool allows you to create concentric copies of complex surfaces quickly and accurately. After clicking to start the offset, I can specify an exact value by typing the distance, and the surface will be redrawn exactly. Let's make the first offset 10 feet and the second 30 feet. Note that each successive offset takes its distance from the original edge. All new surfaces can be manipulated independently. Now, by varying the amount of push-pull, we can create layers of depth to the opening. This can be done exactly by entering the push-pull value prior to a second placement click or after clicking the extrude distance. Using this technique, we can very quickly complete an accurate opening that may be left as is or further detailed. Now let's look at some different ways to use the Offset tool. Let's draw in a rail around this balcony. Instead of picking an entire face, we'll use the Select tool while holding down the Shift key to pick the edges we want to offset. Now when using Offset, only those edges are offset. This creates an additional surface along the edge of the balcony. By using the Move tool while holding down the Control key or Option on the Mac, we can make a copy of the new surface in the blue direction. Let's make several copies for several rails. Now I can give each rail a thickness using Push-Pull. Try practicing these techniques for yourself. Remember, any single face or two or more simply connected coplanar edges can create an offset. This should let you run circles around your models.